Hi, welcome to high score online class. Today we're looking at the velocity ratio of inclined plane. Before we further, please I would like you to click on the subscribe button if you have not done that, so that you can keep kept abreast with what we do online here. You can as well check our Facebook page. Alright, today looking at the velocity ratio of inclined plane. Inclined plane is basically a rigid bar that is being inclined at a particular angle. Yes, this is the horizontal, this is the height. So it's used to lift objects. For example, when you load drums of oil from the ground onto a lorry. Let's assume this is the ground level. This is the angle of inclination, and this is the inclined plane, and this is the platform or the height at which we want to lift the load. So let's assume this is the length of the bar L. Now, for any machine, the velocity ratio is usually equals to distance moved by the effort all over distance moved by the load. Now, when we lift a body along inclined plane, the effort actually pushes. Let's assume the body is this way. The effort actually comes this way to push the body from here onto this place. So in actual sense, the effort moves from here to here, so that distance moved by the effort is equals to L. However, the load is usually at this level. This is the load. Initially, after the whole exercise, the load will now be at this level. That is from this level. So as we push in, it goes up this way, this way, this way, automatically finally comes to be here. That means the aim has been achieved. That is letting the load to move from here to here. So distance moved by the load is actually h. So x subscript L is equals to, let's distinguish this small l, so it doesn't confuse us with load, is equals to h. So let's take the sine ratio of theta. In our basic geometry, or trigonometry rather, sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine theta, the opposite of this angle is this, which is h. Hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is L. Yes. So sin theta becomes equals to, our h here is x subscript L. Our L here is x subscript E. Now taking the reciprocal of both sides, or the inverse of both sides, we have that 1 over sin theta is equals to xe over xl, which now corresponds to our velocity ratio. Therefore, our velocity ratio is equals to xe over xl, and is equals to 1 over sin theta. So velocity ratio of inclined plane is given as VR equals to 1 over sine theta, or simply cosec theta. Now, for JAMB students, with my research, I've discovered that most of the questions asked on inclined plane, most of the angles they are usually 30. I simply say that the velocity ratio of inclined plane at an angle 30 is just 2. How did that come about 2? If theta is equals to 30, therefore 1 over sine theta is equals to 1 over sine 30. Sine 30 equals to sine 30 is same as cos 60, 1 over 2. That is 1 over 1 times 2 over 1 equals 2. So please take note. Bye for now.